In yoga, you never have to worry about anything. It is a science of reality. The process of yoga is an endless journey, a grand adventure, a magnificent exploration into the limitless possibilities of life. In meditation, there is no experience. There is only the state of being. The most important thing to understand is this: meditation is not something that you do, it is something that you are. The greatest discovery you can make is to discover your true nature. In meditation, the meditator disappears, and only the meditation remains. Love is the greatest teacher. It is like a compass guiding you through life's journey. The purpose of meditation is to discover who you really are, and to live your life in harmony with your true self. Happiness is not something you acquire, it is something you release from within yourself. The key to happiness is to be content with what you have, and to be grateful for it. Yoga is the path of self-realization, the journey to the innermost core of your being. Meditation is the art of inner listening. The purpose of yoga is not to escape life, but to live it fully and with awareness. Meditation is the art of being still and listening to the wisdom of your own heart. The mind is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. Yoga is the science of transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. You are what you think. You are what you go for. You are what you do. To love and be loved is the greatest happiness of existence. The ultimate goal of yoga is to realize your oneness with the universe. Be yourself and you will be happy. In fact, happiness is the result of being yourself.